We are here at Nelson Mandela Square. So we're in Joburg for the next 10 days and we've got a whole itinerary planned to test some of the packages that we have, that we want to put onto our Go Adventure app.
If you get it right now, I'm not going to be happy.
So you get it?
Are you ready to catch it?
Go! Well done!
You're saying you're wrong.
Not wrong.
You are wrong. I can see you. Stop being stubborn. Let
So long it is.
That's my aim.
Oh, how did you do that?
He cheated.
Don't fall out, please. Excellent. So we are on the Hartbeespoort Cableway, going up the mountain. The lens is here. Not feeling too excited about this. Yay, open the eyes.
Well, actually, maybe let's just introduce Rambo over here. He's taken us through Soweto and showed us all the cool spots. And we're ending it off here at
We're about to go get some Soweto cold beer.